Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I love pork chops and these are absolutely fantastic. They're a honey garlic pork chop. You can serve them up with mashed rice, whatever you like. Very few ingredients and you can do it up in 15 minutes. Let me walk you through this and let's get started. So to kick things off, what I've got are 3 boneless pork chops. You can use bone in, bone out, whatever you like, but I like the bone out. And I'm going to season them up with some salt. And of course, one of my all-time favorites, some ground black pepper. And of course, we're going to do this on both sides. Next up, I'm going to add some butter to a preheated pan and a bit of olive oil, and that'll keep the butter from burning. Put the pork chops in, and I'm going to fry these up until they're nicely browned, and this is going to take, I'd say 3 to 4 minutes on both sides. After about 3 minutes on each side, I'm going to remove the chops and set them aside on a plate. In the same pan, you don't want to remove this. All kinds of nice flavors going on here. I'm going to add another tablespoon of butter, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, and I'm going to saute this for a few minutes. Just until that fragrance comes out. About half a cup of honey, and I'm just gonna eyeball this. The smell is so good. About 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking wine. And we'll just give this a stir until the wine is cooked through and it becomes kind of thick. And doesn't this look brown and beautiful? So what I'm going to do now is put the pork back in. Smells so good. And I'm going to drizzle that sauce over. This looks so beautiful. After a minute or two, I'm going to kill the heat. And there you have it, guys, our honey garlic pork chops. Okay, let's go ahead and plate this up. Garnish it up with some freshly chopped parsley. Oh, I believe this is going to be great. Don't forget to drizzle some of that delicious goodness over the top. Doesn't this look so good? Okay, so let's do a taste test here. This is so good. The sweetness, the garlic. I just love this. I could eat this all day. So for the whole scoop in this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.